too. How are you? Mary Ellen here. I am in Hammersmith. This beautiful building, you might have wondered what it is, and it is KINDRED. Tom ag dom Susan Styra. I'm going up the stairs towards doras. Ag scríbh to write in you today. Do you remember that kids' TV program? Come with me to the magic door? Well, here we go. Doras draíochta, which means the magic door, because yes, this is where the magic happens, where the scríbhneoirí, the writing. Michaela together with London Writer Salon. And we sit together and do writing sprints, and with the lovely Michaela with Michaela. 2 writing sprints in the 2 hours. And also get to meet lots of other wonderful writers. Get him back.